So in this video I want to show you how to download Trust Wallet. You go to Play Store, Google Play Store if you have an Android phone, and then you type Trust Wallet in the search box. Trust Wallet, you search Trust Crypto. Notice the icon. It has like a shield kind of in blue. So after downloading it, you open it. Okay, after opening it, so let's say you want to sign up. So you go to the link, the referral link which was sent to you. Get the referral link which was sent to you. Okay, maybe you copy it. Get the referral link. Let me get this one. Now go to your Trust Wallet. Now you see there is dApps here. Okay, these 4 squares, you click there and then paste the address which someone sent you. After pasting it, tap at the end of the address or anywhere inside that bar, and then on your keyboard press enter. When you press enter, it will show the ID of the person that you're going to register under. So all you do is you just click register. Now when you click register, it will ask you to confirm the transaction. Now here it is very important. I wanted to show you because this gas fee, it matters a lot, the network fee. If you don't adjust the network fee, your transaction may pend for days. So what we do is that we are going to another website which I have discovered, and this website is ethergasstation.info. So if it's a smart contract like EXO, the gas used to complete the transaction, the maximum is 500,000. So you want to look to get the fastest, okay? The fastest. So you submit. Now they are going to show you how much you're going to pay in transaction fee. As you can see, it is $2.9. Okay, or should we call it 24 ngwei. So you come back here and you click this gear at the top right corner, this settings gear, then you put 24 ngwei here, 24, and then you click save. This step is very, very important. After clicking save, then you can click approve. You see where it says insufficient Ethereum balance? There, if you don't have the amount, it will not allow you to register. So you must put the amount, enough money in your wallet before proceeding with this transaction. So you click here, right here, it will say approve. If you have enough money, the transaction will go through. It will take about maybe 5 seconds for it to go through. So this step here is very important, the step of setting the gas limit. As you can see, if I go back to the other website, probably by now if I refresh the fastest transaction, the fees has probably changed. If I refresh it right now, And let's see. You can see now, for if you want a fast transaction at this particular moment, let's see how much you need. If you submit fastest, it will ask for 30 Gwei. You can see it has just changed, so it keeps changing. The amount that you're going to pay in transaction fees keeps changing, so you need to utilize ethergasstation.info website to know how much you owe to pay. Now, all normal transactions, if you are sending Ethereum from one Ethereum wallet to another, if it's not a smart contract transaction, the gas used is 21,000. That's the maximum of any transaction. So the fastest you submit to find out how much. As you can see, the transaction fee is very little, 0.15. That is the fastest. So if you're sending from one wallet to another, the maximum gas limit is 21,000. But if it's a smart contract, each smart contract has its own gas limit. So that is it.